Today is my very first day in Bangkok, Thailand. I'm gonna explore city to the fullest, starting with breakfast in 7-Eleven, changing a hotel, riding a BTS, shopping in a fancy Apple store, exploring more, even going to the Thai bank, visiting street food, having ride with water taxi, then another ride with legendary Tuk Tuk to Chinatown, finally to having a lot of food. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you. Good morning from Bangkok. This is my very first time in Thailand, in Bangkok, in Thailand in general. So I'm gonna hit now for having some breakfast from legendary 7-Eleven. I heard they are the best in Thailand, in the world. In meanwhile, I think not much is going on in Thailand at mornings, which is very good because, you know, I'm editing videos every single morning, so it's also very hot. All right. This is it, toast from 7-Eleven for the beginning of the journey. Yesterday I forgot to mention about the calculation of the prices. This one cost me 27 bahts, which is around 75 cents. So now I need to grab some coffee. However, I don't know where yet. Meanwhile, this is Sukhumvit 11. Yesterday was actually very busy at 7, 8, 9 p.m. However, I heard as the very late night, like, you know, like around 11, 12, midnight, there is really busy. On the weekends, wow. So for sure I'm gonna stroll around to show you. They also have a Starbucks here, but I promise myself I will not go to Starbucks in Thailand if I don't have to. And there is the Lush rooftop. I think the retired working for you last time making a party over here. He is the one of the Yooo. Retired working for you is the one of the YouTubers who I really would like to watch when he's in Thailand. However, he's in Korea now. But I'm here so you can watch me instead. Little joke. Old German restaurant. Look at this cable installation over here. Unbelievable. Not as I'm surprised, but quick update, it's 2 p.m. Tuesday afternoon. I just changed the hotel to Travelodge for another week. Normal hotel, 4-star hotel, very affordable price. So why not? It's still on the Sukhumvit 11 and I'm heading right now to BTS. I want to organize how to travel using BTS and subway. I'm gonna go to Central World Mall because I need to buy something there. I also want to see how does it look like. I'm planning to use one of these Tuk Tuks maybe today. And whatever it is, definitely much more is going on right now at 2 o'clock than at morning. You can have a stall with the fruits, something. And this over here just behind me is the main street of the Sukhumvit, 500 kilometers of road starting from Bangkok. And if you're gonna go in opposite direction, you can go up to Cambodian border. That's unbelievable, very long street. And very straight, I could say. One street you can get to different country. So this is the Bangkok, 2 o'clock. So much is going on already. At morning wasn't like that. Sukhumvit 11. This is the Sukhumvit 11 over here. And I'm going straight. This is the BTS station at the front, I think this one. This is of course the very tourist area of Bangkok. So you can see so many international people and people with the bags moving between hotel to hotel. I was doing pretty similar this afternoon. People trying to sell something on the streets, there are some bars, and this is the entrance to the BTS. This is the BTS Nana Station, they are the ticket counters, this is the ticket office, and I got myself the rabbit card, so it's just like a prepaid card what I can use in here. So, boom, balance, very easy, and the temperature check. This rabbit card cost me 100, that's the initial payment, and top up 100k minimum, and you don't need to buy tickets single time you're gonna use it, especially if you are thinking to use it very often like I'm gonna do. Also, you can use only on BTS and something. If you wanna use a subway, MRT, it's different card, maybe tomorrow I'm gonna do it. Rabbit, something like that. Also, to navigate easily around Bangkok, public transport, I'm using the application called Bangkok Metro, so all you can see on the app. It's free of use, very highly recommended. Let's see how's the first ride of BTS in Bangkok, legendary BTS line. And 2 stations later, 77, so 23 bahts for 2 stations ride. And then we have a skywalk. I'm going to Central World, one of the malls. I have to buy something. Also, I want to have a look how does it look like in the Thai malls. Also, it's very hot. It's like 2:30 and I'm melting. I mean, everywhere in Asia, but in Bangkok it's no difference, guys. Meanwhile, there is some construction of the Intercontinental new hotel. Gonna look like this one. very tall. One of the junctions in Bangkok, and something over here is going on, some ceremony or something. So many elephants. I think this is some sort of local thing, local prayer. Very nice. Something different, something new, as always. Also, this is the Bangkok, one of the main junction situation. Looks like this one. So colorful, so many colorful cars here. Here we go, this is the central world. So nice as everything is connected by the sky bridges. Also just behind me is very fancy Apple store. Actually this is the main purpose why I'm hiding here. I need to buy something. But as I have to buy something here, it's also very cool looking shape. The square one, let's see. Pretty cool Apple store. I got what I had to got. The prices are very affordable in Thailand about the Apple products for everyone who are interested. Also, very interesting fact is, as in this Apple store in Thailand, in Bangkok, I can peacefully film inside. And even they said, yes, please, you can do whatever you like. Big thumb up for that, first time. Also, if you're gonna buy something here, you are eligible for the tax refund, which is of course very cool indeed. And now I'm inside of Central World Mall in Bangkok. Looks pretty cool, pretty big, and quite a lot of people like for this time of the day, middle of the week. Also, I heard they have a very nice food holder on the top floor. One day I have to make a visit for sure. Also seems like a lot of what's going on here today, and the mall is pretty big, I could say for sure. That was the Central World Mall, pretty nice mall. I'm gonna make a special dedicated video about top 5 malls in Bangkok at the end of my journey. Also, I'm gonna make a separate video regarding the transportation in Bangkok and in Thailand in general. So that will be 2 separate videos in the future. So it's whenever you're gonna look for it, you can go to this special dedicated topic. Also, when I was in the mall, I pay for my drone license in the local bank. I'm so proud as I managed to do it because I couldn't make it online. It was not possible. I had to go to the local Thai bank for that. But I make it. So also it's cost me only 215 baht, which is actually really not so bad. And it's very quick process right now. Also to fly drone, you need to have a license here. I will need it when I'm in Phuket. I'm not sure if anyone checking it, but it's good to have it. It's not really expensive. It's not really hard to make it. Meanwhile, this is like a plaza of the, central market. It's very hot, and there is some street food. Here we go, Bangkok street food market. This market is like for the tourists. However, in my first day, I think I can have a look. Tomorrow I'm gonna go somewhere into more local vibe. So we have some fruits for 60 baht, jackfruit, and other fruits here. The boys selling actually looking very nice, very clean everything. Some other food over here. Here we go. Hello. So many nice selection of very nice products here. Here we go. Unbelievable. Yo. Hello. Hello. I'm pretty sure this is the food court for the tourists, but everything looks so nice and so tempting, and the people cooking over here. And here, very interesting fact, just to Bangkok street food, there is some prayer place. That's looking very nice and very interesting, as this belongs like outside the mall. And I think I'm gonna go into this pomegranate juice, because where I live we don't have it, but I like it so much and looks so tempting over here. Thank you. Juice like this one, 100 baht. Here we go. Very nice place indeed for tourists, but I think that very nice indeed for sure. Central Bangkok, and the cold juice with the in the weather like this one is so, I don't know. I got a little bit headache already walking in this heat, to be honest. I used to have that, but Bangkok is a little bit different. Also, I just read some comments of my yesterday's travel video. I forgot to mention about the travel requirements to Thailand. So easy right now, just buy a ticket and that's it. And simply that's it. If you are double or triple vaccinated, totally nothing, like before pandemic times. That's unbelievable, so easy. When I arrived to Bangkok, they just quickly, somebody check if I have a vaccination certificate, and that's it. That's like before pandemic, seriously, like so easy, guys. You don't need to worry if you are coming to Thailand or thinking to come to Thailand right now. Also, you don't need to wear a mask when you are in Bangkok or in Thailand. In general, and mostly on everywhere, you don't need to wear it. However, many local people still wearing. But if you don't like, you don't want, you don't need to. There is also some constructions in Bangkok. Check this out, always some constructions everywhere around. It's 4 p.m. and the rush hours are starting, so this is the traffic in Bangkok at 4. So many actually tuk-tuks waiting for you as well. Some more vendors trying to sell some drinks and some street food. And over coconuts over here. I got a little bit headache because probably overheated, so I'm gonna get home, take some medicine and refresh myself. So later when it's already after sunset, I'm gonna go find some street market. And meanwhile, for this occasion, I'm gonna use the river taxi. Bangkoks have a river taxi, and I think at least once everyone should try it. And this is how the harbor look like. On the one side, drop off and check-in boarding. And I'm heading to Nana Pier, so I think into this direction. However, I'm not sure because everything is in Thai language over here. Seems not so many people. Also mostly local people using it, and it's supposed to be very cheap. Let's see how much we're gonna pay. I think I know how much I should pay, so it shouldn't rip me off. But there are some people, only few people waiting for the boat at 4 o'clock. Also, this is the best way to skip any kind of traffic jams in Bangkok. Because, well, on these canals there is no traffic jam. And here we go, my boat is coming, boat number 55, and it's empty. Here we go, happy days. I'm gonna try this one. And there's some people come finally, eventually from somewhere. And here we go, this is how you enter. Have to be very careful, but it's definitely worth a try. Oh. Here we go, and we are going, and this is the guy who is taking the money from me. Nana, I gave him 15 bahts. Yeah, thank you. And I dropped some change. This is the ticket, so you have to make sure you always keep the ticket, guys, by the way. It's very important. I'm going to Nana, and this is how does it look like. Not so bad at all, right? Also behind me there are some people I see, also international visitors, tourists, maybe expats are traveling using this service, and actually it's quite busy right now. And I'm pretty sure the trip cost me 13 bahts, so it's like very, very cheap, very affordable. It's a lot of fun when the boat is coming like this one. So better you stay on the middle of the boat, because sometimes you can get a little splashy like this one. Nana, where I arrived, was actually such a fun ride. I really recommend it. I definitely I'm gonna try again, or maybe many times. However, I have no idea how people know as this is Nana, so I use the Google map and I follow the Google map. So that's why you always have to have internet in your phone. Anyways, when you leave the pier, there's like one tuk-tuk, and it's the small road heading straight forward to the Sukhumvit 11. And here we go. Now is the time for driving the tuk-tuk in Bangkok. It's maybe not the highly recommended transport way, however, definitely worth it to try at least once, or maybe when you're in rush. I'm going to Chinatown from Sukhumvit. He asked me for 200k. I agree, it's alright. I'm going to Chinatown because I want to try some food, street food. Let's see what they have it over there. I'm gonna show you also a little bit from the drive of so many lights and everything here around in Tuk Tuk. So when he's braking, the lights are on. Check this out, his roof and this. But you can avoid the traffic because the driver is a little bit. Oh, this is the signalization. This is like how you drive the tuk-tuk, like this one at the front, now crossing the junction. That's like another attraction in general. Check this out. So cool. The traffic is so-so. Driving a little bit between the cars, like this one, and boom, and safe. Yeah, let's go. I already like it, and especially these lights. Here we go. So cool. And this is the driver. Here we go, like this one. And I have pretty good views of everything. It's also pretty comfortable, I could say, especially with the slides. It's pretty comfortable, actually. Nothing to complain about. A very good attraction. It was a little bit of the situation from the streets. We even in Tuk Tuk, but we still stuck in the traffic. Everywhere cars. Also the way how the driver trying to get the best empty gap in the, like, how many lines, 5-6 lines highway. It's actually so cool, very enjoyable actually from the perspective of the passenger. And we are driving faster than GT86. And here we go, welcome to Chinatown, Bangkok Chinatown. Woo. It's going busy. That looks so cool already. I can see, hello, mango sticky rice and coconut. Here we go. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Just arrived to the Chinatown. It looks very busy and very colorful for sure. I will show you one day, but today I'm looking only for food. Anyways, the driver dropped me somewhere here, and it's already so many stalls with so many kind of selections of any food. Some sort of peanuts here, also pomegranate juice here already much cheaper, half price. But this is Chinatown, live music. Here we go. Somebody have a wedding photo session here in the Tuk Tuk. And I think this is the place where I should come, because I can see already so many people, actually a lot of people everywhere around, and I don't know actually what's going on, but that must be some street food place over here. Here we go. I think this is the place. It's so bright, so colorful, and so busy for the Tuesday 6 p.m. or 6:30 or 7. Wow. Also I'm gonna show you a little bit raw over here. Don't wanna make a fancy editing. You can have a lobster over here, street food. Wow. So much things to do, to see. Definitely I'm gonna try something. Check this out, this small pineapple over here. Probably I'm gonna try it now as the starter. Here we go, 20 bahts. First thing what I'm gonna try is the small pineapple for 20 bahts. It's hard for me to hold the camera and eat at the same time, but definitely gonna looks good and definitely tastes the same. It's actually unbelievable good. Really nice, sweet, and 20 bahts only. It's actually unbelievable how it's clean over here. I mean, I was expecting a little bit more, you know, messy, or I could say. However, seems like they cooking some fancy pad thai here. Maybe it's not fancy, it's on the street food. However, looks very tasty and very nice. Maybe I could try. This one here, gyoza dumplings, some sort of lottery, I think, or something like this one. This one is actually nice. I don't mind to try it. Here, some meats. Wow. What's this is real mango? No, this is fake. However, mango style. Here we go. Mango sticky rice for dessert could be nice for sure, and there is some decorations. Literally so much is going on in Chinatown. I just gonna grab some food, gonna show you, and I'm gonna make a special episode about the Chinatown, because I can already make it very easily. Full entire episode is so much to show you, and it's so cool. And look at this one, there is the peanut seller, and the cat is sleeping like this one. So cool and so busy. And here we go, they also have insects here, you're not gonna miss it. Here we go, little scorpion maybe. It would be really nice to try the chicken pad thai over here, but definitely there is no space anymore for me or anyone. So let's see what else we can find here. I think I'm gonna have a wonton here, noodles. Check this out here. It's very busy for the Tuesday afternoon. Eventually I managed to get my wontons with the very nice seating actually at the front of this. All the action and the meat and how they are cooking, so very nice. This is the lady who served it. It's very busy, people waiting on the street, and well, I was very lucky to getting this seat, to be honest. So I will eat. Lucky me today. So for the portion of a wonton noodles, I paid $275, like 100 baht. But it was so hot and so not much space to even show you how I eat this and say about the taste. But you have to trust me, it was very, very nice. Just super hot in Bangkok. Look at my face, I'm sweating a lot. And also the way how they cook it is amazing. And the last thing what I'm gonna try when I'm in Bangkok, I have to try today is mango sticky rice. Check this out. This lady is making. Looks like this one. I will quickly try one. Here we go, mango sticky rice. This is the rice with some sort of sweet milk and the mango, of course. In general, I'm not a big fan of rice, but this one I have to try it. Everybody's saying it's good when in Thailand. It's actually, I like it. As you know, it's like a mango, you know how's the mango taste, and the rice with milk. Very long day, I did so many things today. I wanted to explore as much as possible for my very first day in Bangkok in Thailand. So far so good, I like it, feel very safe, but it's maybe too early to judge everything. Give me some few days. Also, if you just found out my channel, I highly recommend you to subscribe, press the like button and everything. I'm gonna do so many videos from Thailand in the upcoming 3 weeks. Anyway, thank you so much for listening today, and I will see you tomorrow as always, 4 p.m. every day.